Hey friends, welcome to Sophie's kitchen. Mutton cutlets. Mutton cutlets are a mouth-watering delicacy which tastes great with ketchup and mayo. It's a great snack or starter for kitty parties, potlucks, and picnics. These are the ingredients. You will also need 2 beaten eggs with salt and pepper, quarter kg boiled potatoes, and breadcrumbs. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 big chopped onion, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 finely chopped chillies, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon garam masala powder, quarter cup dry peas soaked previous night or half cup fresh peas, quarter kg minced meat, add a cup of water and close the lid. Cook for about 20 minutes or pressure cook for about 2 to 3 whistles. Let's make the breadcrumbs. Take 2 slices of brown bread, grind it directly without toasting it. The breadcrumbs look coarse and this makes the cutlet extra crispy. You can also use white bread. The breadcrumbs are ready now and let's keep it aside. Let's open the lid and keep stirring till it's completely dry. Add mint leaves and toss it for a few seconds till the color of mint leaves changes. Add the potatoes and slightly mash them. Let's make the patties. Roll it over the breadcrumbs. Roll it over the beaten egg. Roll it over the breadcrumbs again. And then give it a press. Rolling over the breadcrumbs twice make the cutlets extra crisp. The patties are ready now. Let's place them one by one and let's deep fry it. Let's flip it over to fry the other side. Look how lovely they are looking. Do try this easy recipe and post in your comments and feedback. All you have to do is get the ingredients ready and start making. Wow, crispy mutton cutlets are ready to be served. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and stay tuned to my upcoming videos.